All right, we're on Try Hack Me today. We're not actually even streaming this one like right here. Let's go ahead and exit out here. We'll close that out. We'll clear this out. CD into desktop. I don't think I even have a Try Hack Me folder on this VM yet. Let's go make directory try THM. We'll CD into there, and we'll start off with a make directory for. We have a box here called Dreaming. Looks like a new box, and we'll CD into Dreaming, and we'll go ahead and we'll start off with the RustCat here. See what we get. So we got port 22, port 80 up so far. Let's go ahead and curl that port 80. And this looks like a, yep, standard Ubuntu page. So let's go ahead and Ferox Buster this guy down here. Oh, I'll put in the HTTP and everything, huh? There we go. And we'll do attack W of user share word list. There be, we'll just try big.txt at first. 100 threads set it at it. We'll see what happens here. Actually, big.txt may not be the best one just because it does grab all the Ubuntu stuff. So let's just go ahead and go to dirbuster. We'll do directory list 2.3 medium.txt. So we don't get all the default Apache pages there. And we do have a /app like right there, then pluck 4.7.13. Let's go ahead and search exploit that like right there. Pluck, let's try just pluck first. Okay, 4.7.13 file upload remote code execution authenticated though. Let's go ahead and see if we can authenticate to this like right here. Dreaming admin. Are we already authenticated? Okay, login, password, auto admin. Try that like right there. All right, so that one didn't work like right there. Or if there's anything else where we could try to find the password for it. We could try password. We got admin, we got password, right? Might as well try different ones, right? So okay, cool. So password actually logged us in. So let's go ahead and grab this guy over here, file 4.7.13. Let's go ahead and search exploit this guy. Search exploit tac m. That like right there. Let's go ahead and sublime him, see what he's running here. All right. So we need a target IP, target port, password, then pluck CMS path. Okay. Let's just go ahead and just throw it at because we got HTTP, target IP, target port. So we do have the target IP. We might have to put that /app like right there, but it does say the path to it though. So may just be able to just throw it. Yeah, we're just gonna have to make sure that target port is 80. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this guy like real quick. We'll go ahead and do a Python 49. Let's see if it actually gives us the hey, you have a problem. Okay, cool. Target IP, which is going to be 10.10.106.204. I've not done this box yet, if you can't tell. We would already probably ran this guy. The target port, which is 80, right? It's on port 80. The password, which is going to be a password. And then lastly, the path to it, which is app pluck 4.7.13 I'm going to go with. We'll try that like right there, but it might just be /app. We don't know yet. So we'll try that like right there. Authentication was successful. Okay, upload a shell to there. Okay. What did upload the shell under though? Like, is it just like a regular web shell or something like that? Let's go ahead and check it out like real quick. We'll see what we got here. Okay, cool. So it just uploaded a web shell, it looks like. So we do a who am I or like an ID or something like that, right? Let's go ahead and try to grab a reverse shell here. Cat scripts bash reverse shell.txt. And let's go ahead and throw this guy into there. I don't know what my IP address is for try hack me, so let's go ahead and grab my IP address real quick. And we'll go ahead and we'll throw this into here. And this is listed at port 9999. Don't think there's going to be a problem for this box. Go ahead and listen. Attack LVMP 9999. Go ahead and do that. And we'll go ahead and throw this bash command in there like real quick, see if we can't get a reverse shell. Okay, did like that. What about bash tac C? Okay, there we go. All right, cool. Who am I? All right, ls-la. Let's go ahead and look at the files here. We got our shell.var link right there. Let's go ahead and cd back. See if we got anything in here. Any flags right there, that install.php, login.php. Let's go ahead and go and cat that login.php link right there. Well, actually, let's just grep tech RWI for, let's say, username. We'll try username, then we'll try user. Oh, let's go ahead and get full shell going here first. I'm used to Windows. Cat scripts full shell. Haven't really done much with Linux lately, so sorry about that. Control Z, STTY, raw tech echo, right? You see I haven't not done anything in a long time. There we go. Export term equals X term. All right. Now we should be able to do a save exact grep tech RWI. And we'll look for a password. All right, looks like we got a lot of crap here. Okay, a little bit too much stuff. All right, let's go ahead and cd back. Let's go ahead. Let's try to, I don't know, maybe ls-la/op. See if there's anything in there. Okay, we got two things in there. So let's go ahead and cat. We can read actually both of these things. Let's try cat op test.py first, then we'll try cat that death one, that test.py. We can also execute this too. All right, looks like we got a password right here, most likely for Lucian. So let's go ahead and try to SSH maybe as him. Lucian at the IP address, which was 10.10.106.204. Yes. We try his password that we just found. And that does work. Okay, cool. Let's try sudo tac out here. See if we do anything. Okay, so we can run getdreams.py with no password. Let's go ahead and cat that getdreams.py then. Opt. Wait, was it an opt? It's an opt and home? I wonder if the home was actually, okay, so we got a database user, database pass. Okay, let's see here. MySQL, database user, database pass is redacted. Let's go ahead and cat home death getdreams.py. Okay, I can't do that one, but for some reason I can run it. Let's go ahead and try to run it. How about that? Let's do that sudo tac L again. We'll go ahead and we'll do a sudo user bin python 3, which I should probably just copy and paste this whole thing. Let's try to run this, see what happens. It says no password. It says I can do it with no password, but you know, fuck me, I guess. Oh, as death, that's why. So let's go ahead and do attack you death. Right? That's how you do it as death, but I guess fuck me with the no password, right? I guess I shouldn't say that, huh? Oops with the no password. Where did I get his password from? There's that one. When I looked at test, is it up here? Did I mess up? I could always just look at test.py and grab his password. We're just gonna do that. We're just gonna look at cat opt test.py. Usually I run them down, but whatever. Okay, there we go. Come back down here. We'll just go ahead and throw that in there. Death, no password. Usually Lucy may run the following commands on Dreaming with the user of death. Hope that. Did I do the tac u wrong or something? Do I have to do like a sudo tac u first? Probably. Tac u death. And then do the rest of this? Most likely, huh? There we go. Okay, cool. Alice, plus 5 guy. Dave, becoming a professional musician. Okay. So, let's see here. Let's go ahead and see what that opt get dreams is. Let's go ahead and see what we got going on here. Oh, I stopped right on it actually. We got command execution. Command equals f echo dreamer plus the dream, huh? So can we just go ahead and like pipe that to say ID? Text broken. But we do get no, we get our own ID. We are also part of the admin group too. It's kind of strange, huh? So let's see here. We got that, but we can't mess with it. No, we got the Lucian flag also. Okay. History's not. Okay. Well, we got the database password now. Okay. So we can run that. I don't really understand why. Probably try to look into it maybe like a little bit more, but he can run that like right there for some reason. And we have command injection in it. Now we just got to try to figure out how to actually run that command injection, right? So that's something we got to do now is try to figure that out. But we might actually be able to figure out where it's actually pulling that information from, right? So let's go ahead and like where it's getting those different things from, right? Let's go ahead and just do this exact thing like right here. All right, show databases, use library. That's different. Show tables. Select star from dreams. This is like where it pulls from because it did say it was pulling from dreams, right? It is. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and look at that again because I just saw the command injection and just kind of just jump from there. Dreams info cursor fetch all cursor. Yep. Query select dreamer dream from dreams. Okay, so it does. That's why we saw MySQL at the very beginning up there. So that's why like right there. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to insert something into here, such as like a reverse shell or something like that. So whenever it runs that dreams, and that goes ahead and runs this command up here, right? It runs this command like right here, echo dreamer plus dream. What we want to do is actually um, pretty much run our um, what is it, reverse shell, right? So we just need to make a quick bash script reverse shell. So let's go ahead and look up cat scripts bash reverse shell again, right? Go ahead and grab this, and we can do an echo bash tag C, and I need my IP address, right? At least I hope this is going to be the way up. We're going to throw this in there. We'll just keep it on port 9999 because we know that does talk to us, right? So we'll throw that into there. That into shell. All right, and pretty much what we want to do now is try and get. We have to get that onto the machine. So let's go ahead and throw that into temp like real quick. So we're going to cd into temp. And let's go ahead and we'll do a Python 3 server over here. And we'll do a wget http. Don't know if I'm going to have to make this executable or not, but we shall find out. /shell. We're just going to make it executable. And then we're going to also go ahead and try to run it before we actually do anything. Right? We'll go ahead and we'll try to run it just to make sure it does actually work. Okay, so it does. All right, cool. So we know that does work from temp, right? All right, now we need to go ahead and cat scripts SQL insert. Let's see. I'm trying to look to see if I have anything with insert or anything like that. All right, so it took forever for me to actually get this to actually work. So what I ended up doing is what you're going to see here in a second. It took forever. It was stupid long. Instead of you guys having to watch a couple resets and things like that, I was going to skip all that so you guys can actually get the actual command here. So insert into dreams, right? And we want to insert dreamer dream. right? Because we have two different fields there. Okay. The values that we want are going to be something like along the lines of we're going to cat this like right here. Values that we want, we'll go ahead and we'll cat that. Okay, dreams.py. Pipe that into bash. All right. And then from there, we want to run a totally different command, right? And we'll just do a tacal or something like that. Even though this probably won't work like right here. And we'll probably get another problem or something, some other bullshit. Oh, let's see what happens. Okay, there's that now. And now we're going to get some crap in here, huh? Sudo tac u. That should echo that command in. Oh, death. All right, we got somewhere. We did something. So we use that. Incident of dreams. Dreamer, dream values, cat, home, death, get dreams right. So we got somewhere, right? And we also got death's password there. Cool. Let's go ahead and log into death here. SU into death. Oh, so we're going to exit out of here. SU into death. Go ahead and throw that password in there. Sudo tac l. See what he can do. He can't do anything. Okay. Let's go ahead and try maybe SUID bits aren't going to work. Capabilities may work just because obviously we're getting somewhere with this, but SUID bits aren't going to work because obviously we would have done that from the very beginning. I would have thought. All right, if they want you to do everything like this, then you can only do so much there. All right, let's go ahead and cd into /death or home death. LSTAC LA. And there's our get dreams like right there. We have a death flag. We go ahead and cat that. Cool. And now we need Morpheus's flag, but we don't have any more sudo. We do have something in bash history. Okay, and who's the other guy's name? The other guy's name is Morpheus. Could always just cat etsy password if you want to know everyone's name on there. You see it like that, right? Morpheus. Let's go and do a grep tac RWI for Morpheus from my home directory there, right? See if we get anything. Nope, nothing there. Okay. I'll just try to see if we got anything. Right, what we got up here. Get dreams. Okay. Can we CD in whole Morpheus? Okay, got my thought. Okay, so we could read this kingdom. And we could read restore. Print the kingdom backup has been done. Source file is that. Can we mess with it? Can we delete it? Kingdom. No, we can only read it. We can't write to it though. Source file. Kingdom backup. Does that exist? It does. Okay, I can't do anything with that though. Okay. What about, can I do the whole thing? Nope. Okay. You never know. You never know. Okay. So nothing with that. All right. Ha. And what are we using for this? Do we have anything from shut util? Import copy to his backup. Can we mess with shut util? All right. Let's go ahead and test that out real quick. Cat scripts find. But we actually want to find shut util, right? So we're actually going to do that like right there. We're actually look for shut util. Right? That's what we're looking at, right? S-H-U-T-I-L. S-H-U-T, S-H-U-T-I-L. All right, there we go. Can we mess with this? Oh, we can only read that, okay. Can we mess with, I wonder which one it's going to. Or if I can just find one to mess with, like right there. At least I don't think I can mess with it. Okay. Do that one more time. I can. Death. I can mess with that actually. So let's just go ahead and just do a sublime here, right? Nano on this guy. Okay. So we are importing OS, so we could just do a something like os.system, right? So we could scroll all the way up here, okay? So we are importing OS, so we could just do an os.system. And then we could do a quick, I guess, reverse shell like right here. I guess we start off with a who am I, huh? Okay, now let's try to run that. It was a restore, right? Yep, who am I, death. There you go. Okay. So we could always just change the permissions on stuff too. Or we could just get a reverse shell. Let's go ahead and change the permission on this guy right here. And then everyone's going to get mad at me whenever I do this. Because we're just going to do a 777. Because this is CTF. Let's go ahead and try that again. Oh, permission denied, really. Oh, wait, I got who am I? I did a who am I. It was death, huh? So we would need. I wonder if he's running this. He must be running this every so often, huh? So let's just do I just throw a bash reverse shell in here then. So we do know that did run, or that is running that os.system command that we threw in there, right? Because we did see death. I'm thinking that this must be running every so often. It probably is because it's under something called restore, you know. We can actually check that with PSPY also. So we can cd to temp. Let's go ahead and also start up a listener over here. And we'll cd to temp, and then we'll go ahead and we will, let's see here, cd to tools over here. Grab my IP address one more time. We're going to do a quick wget http pspy64. Then we can change mode +X for pspy64. We go ahead and run that and see is it actually running however often, right? Or when it actually does run. And let's see is it actually going to give us that reverse shell that we want. I think it should. We got that os.system in there, right? Or at least we put it into there. So I'm hoping that will. We can always try cat it again. Oh, there we go. As we can see, it runs less pipe. Let's see here. Where's it at? So it ran it like right here. I wonder like where would it actually run ran the there's PS64, boom, boom, boom. Splash, user big cron. Okay, so it's actually just going for that cron job like right there. So we could have just did a, but we should be able to see that's actually running that actual thing, restore.py like right there. But we do get a callback over here, so it is writing it every so often. So we could do a stack LA or cd to slash home, I guess, or cat Morpheus flag. Cat this like right here. Right. Dream shapes the world. Okay. And is that the last one? It is. Are we gonna get to root? Let's go ahead and see who this guy is. ID. Nope. Sudo tech L. Okay. Sudo su. So now we are now root. cd slash root. Stack LA ID. All right. We are root. Cat.bash history, because he also has a history here. Wonder why PSPY isn't showing that it ran it. It's like right there. That's what I'm trying to figure out now. That's kind of weird. Marv just because immediately went to this like right here, but okay. Well, we got all of it. We got everything. We got to root. A little bit of a pain with that MySQL, but that's it. That was the only thing that was a pain. So we are done here. Let's see what we got here. See if my rank went up at all. 1570. I was 1581 5 minutes ago. All right. Y'all have a good one, and I will talk to you all later.